Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Gmail account on your PC. If this helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, open your web browser. Here I'm gonna open my Chrome browser. And here you have to type on the address bar gmail.com. So I'm typing here gmail.com. And here you will see an interface like this. Now click on the create account button and select for my personal use. And here you have to enter your personal information. And now you have to enter your first name and last name. So I'm gonna enter my first name here. And I'm also gonna add my last name here. And finally click on this next button. And here you have to provide your birth date and also gender. So I'm selecting my birthday. And selecting gender. And finally, click on this next button. And now choose a username for your email address. This will be your new Gmail address like username@gmail.com. So I'm gonna choose my username from here. Then click on next button again. And now you have to provide a strong password. So you can create a strong password with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. So I'm giving my own password here. Click on next. And here you can skip this process or you can add your recovery email address. So I'm gonna add my recovery email address for extra security layer. And then click on this next button. Sometimes Google can ask you to verify your phone number and then you have to enter your phone number and you will get a verification code and you have to enter that on a field asked by Google. So here you can see that they are saying my account is ready. So I'm reviewing my account and clicking on this next button. And finally scroll down, click on this more button to read terms and conditions and then click on this agree button. And that's it, your new Gmail account is now created. You can personalize your account by adding a profile picture and adjusting settings as desired. So I'm gonna ensure the security. So normally click on this icon and select manage your Google account. And then you have to enter your recovery phone. Enter your phone number here. And after then verify it with a verification code. Also, you have to verify your email address. You can click on this send button to send a verification code and after then you have to enter it and verify your email address for extra security layers. So that's all about today's video, how you can create a Gmail account or Google account in a very efficient and easy way. If this helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. See you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.